Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for psychology research. To use ChatGPT for psychology research, you can follow these steps. Choose a research question. Determine the research question you want to explore in the field of psychology. For example, you may want to investigate the relationship between personality traits and well-being. Gather data. Collect a data set of text-based responses to our survey or questionnaire related to the research question. The dataset should include a range of responses that reflect the diversity of the population being studied. Pre-process the data. Clean and pre-process the data to remove noise, duplicates, and irrelevant information. This step may involve tokenization, stemming, and stop word removal. Train the model. Train the ChatGPT model using the pre-processed data depending on the size of the dataset that completely of the research question. You may need to train the model for several hours or days. Analyze the results. Use the ChatGPT model to generate responses to questions related to the research question. Analyze the generated responses to identify patterns, themes, and relationship between variables. Interpret the findings. Interpret the findings in the context of the research question and the existing literature in the field of psychology. Draw conclusions and make a recommendation based on the results of the analysis. Validate the results. Validate the results by comparing them to the other data sources and by conducting follow-up studies to confirm the findings. It's important to note that the quality of generated responses may be varied depending on the quality and relevance of the training data. It's also important to use the results of the analysis with caution and to interpret them in the context of the limitation of the methodology and the potential biases of the ChatGPT model. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!